How to remove phone number from Temu. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To remove your phone number from Temu, tap open your Temu application in your mobile device. Make sure that you have created yourself a Temu account. If not, make sure to sign up quickly. If not, log in into your Temu account. Over here, to remove your number from Temu, you need to click on the U icon that is at the bottom of the dashboard. From here, go ahead and click on the Settings button. Check out Account Security. In here, you will see the option of Mobile Phone Number. If you have added a phone number, there you will find Edit button next to it instead of Add. You need to click on the Edit button. To remove a phone number, you actually have to add another phone number before to remove the existing one. After you have added a new phone number, you'll be able to remove the existing phone number from Temu successfully. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.